I never really liked them anyway.
You'll like them both, but love our price. Aldi, simply smarter holiday shopping.
Well, America, the results are in. 85% of people prefer Xfinity X1 to their current TV experience. People just like this. With the X1 Challenge, we're showing real people how Xfinity stacks up to the competition.
Chicago Med. Oh, wow. You just made my day.
This is a lot easier and fun.
Where do we sign up?
I'm getting Xfinity.
See for yourself why so many people prefer X1.
What will you say when you experience X1? Switch to Xfinity from Comcast for $89.99 a month for 12 months. Click, call, or visit a store today.
3, 2, 1. Hey, look at that, look at that.
Well, there you go. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas at the U.S. Capitol. House Speaker Paul Ryan flipped the switch at the annual tree lighting about an hour ago. This year's tree comes from the Payette National Forest in Idaho. It's an 80-foot Engelmann spruce. It's decorated with handmade ornaments from communities across that state. A small crowd was on hand for the lighting, even though the weather was pretty nasty. I bet the crowd would have been larger. And that's one of the prettiest trees in town, I think.
Really nice tree. But Doug, we cannot say the same about the weather we had today. Really nasty out there. This is the kind of day that I don't think anybody enjoys a day like this. Cold, nasty, just ew.
And I think a lot of people are wondering, Doug, what would have happened if this had been snow?
Oh, you know
How
what?
much
I've
we'd
gotten
be
that
shoveling.
question a couple times. First off, let me answer Vance's question first. Vance, two people, actually one person would have liked this, the kind that had the day off and could have done
There
this
you
all
go.
day.
Absolutely.
Right? They
Absolutely.
loved it today.
Yep.
And number two, if this was snow, we'd be talking about over a foot of snow across our region. That would have been a nice snowstorm. But you remember my winter forecast. I said nothing over a foot this year.
Oh,
so
we
that,
remember.
that's why this one was not snow. I just, that's okay. Let's take a look and show you what's happening right now. Storm Team 4 radar tracking the rain. I almost said tracking the snow, tracking the rain across our region. The heaviest rain has now moved out of the D.C. metro area. You can see the yellows and the oranges pushing up. Still seeing some yellows down to the south. We've got some light rain now. It's steady rain still in the D.C. area, but notice the back edge. Getting ready to get out of here. Down to the south, though, we are looking at some of that heavier rain. Southern St. Mary's County, around Leonardtown, around the Calvert Beach area, down towards Patuxent River, St. George Island, across towards Westmoreland County, seeing some down toward the northern neck. So hello to our friends down there. Now, as we make our way out the next couple of hours, you see the back edge slowly moving through. Now, we may see a couple more showers through the evening, but that's really it. Again, the heaviest rain is now out of the region and will continue to move on out. Total rainfall today, 9/10 of an inch in D.C., nearly an inch Quantico, over an inch in Fredericksburg, over 3/4 of an inch back towards Winchester, and 8/10 back towards Martinsburg. Much needed rainfall. Unfortunately, the only big problem today, not just the rain, it was a cold rain. Temperatures today only in the 40s and 30s back to the west. We still have some showers. Here's 11 o'clock, and this is what I'm talking about. A couple showers developing, but that's about it. Overnight tonight into tomorrow morning, not a bad day. We'll clear out. We'll see some sunshine during the afternoon. That'll be quite nice. But temperatures back up to around the low 50s, at least in the D.C. area. Right now, we're at 43 degrees. Winds out of the northeast at 14 miles an hour, so a little breezy too. It just adds to it, that northeasterly wind keeping that cooler air in here. Look at these numbers. 41 Gaithersburg, only 37 Frederick, only 36 in Front Royal. Now, no chance of seeing a freeze in most areas tonight. I think these numbers will stay right around where they are right now, maybe actually rise toward the morning. But I'm going 40 for that overnight low in D.C., 46 by noon, 52 by 3. Again, not a bad day on your Wednesday. But on Thursday, we see another change. That change comes with yet another cold front. That will drop through. Temperatures of 47 on Thursday. We may see a shower, maybe mixed with snow on Thursday afternoon, but it's not a big deal. What is a big deal is the cold. 39 degrees on your Friday, 38 on Saturday. Next week, we get even colder. Yeah, even colder. Some of you might not make it out of the 20s. My extended forecast, 645.
All right, we'll see you then. Thank you, Doug. A bizarre scene on a busy highway. Alleged shoplifters surrendering to police in the middle of the freeway. We'll tell you how this all started with a scary situation at a busy mall.
3 years after a deadly police-involved shooting in a local area, I'll tell you how leaders there are trying to build public confidence in their police department.
Metro still